Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Nisha for those who are new. Y'all, I am here for this look. So I decided to go ahead and recreate one of my older looks. I'm going to insert a picture or a video clip, whatever I can find. I'm going to insert it here. It's a beautiful soft glam look. I don't even know what I called it. I think I called it a soft glam look, but I definitely wanted to recreate this look. And I dug deep and hard to use the exact same products I did on the eyes and the lips, and I found them. I'm kind of embarrassed that I still have them in my collection, but that goes to show you I am a hoarder when it comes to my makeup. So of course I still had it. So I got the actual pigment that I use, and I got the actual lipstick. Y'all, the label and everything is all gone. It's gone. But I'm pretty sure everyone had this in their collection. This was the Fergie Wet n Wild collection. Yes, y'all heard me correct, Fergie. So I definitely wanted to create this look. I really wanted to create this look because I feel like I don't really dig deep into my color lips like I used to do, and I just feel like everything's like nude lip, and I definitely want to come back and do more color lips. So what other way than recreating one of my old looks and doing my little remix spin on it. So if you guys want to see how I got this soft, beautiful glam look, then of course, keep on watching. Let's go. All right, so I pretty much gonna jump right into this tutorial. I try to get as much similar products, well, the most important products to recreate this old classic look of mine. So I found the pigment. I was surprised to still see that I have this pigment. Hopefully it's still in good condition. And then I also found the actual lipstick as well, the exact same one that I'm using. So this is gonna be so fun. But everything else, I'm just gonna use different stuff. So we'll see how my skills have gotten, like, you know, so much better. So let's start off by prepping the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Juvia shade number 2. Just taking my blending brush and blending this out evenly onto the eyes, and I'm going all the way up above where my brow bone is going to begin as well. And it's okay if you get a little messy like I did. You can easily, you know, clean this up, but want to make sure this is nicely blended, because if it's not, however the base is like laid down, so if there's like a crease, there's something going on, it will show on your eyeshadow. So make sure this is blended very nicely when it comes to these Juvias. So as always, I'm going to start off with setting my actual brow bone. Now every time I start this I always cannot find my eyeshadow brushes, so I'm going to go in with this nude color right here. Like I said, I'm just going to pop this right underneath my brow area. So I'm gonna start off with the base. Usually I go in with my crease and then the lid color, but I haven't used this pigment in a while, so I want to see if this still, you know, got what it's supposed to do. So this is in the shade Earth by BELLE PIERR Cosmetics. In that video I did not use this wet, but I'm going to use it wet because I've learned that working with pigments, they're a lot more prettier, especially if they're like shimmery metallic type of pigments. They look really good when they're used, you know, wet. Oh, this is still pretty. I'm gonna put this on my whole entire lid area, but not the crease. I'm gonna leave the crease alone with some other eyeshadow, so only on the lid area. Next thing that I'm gonna do is take a nice like soft brown, not really like a deep brown, but like a soft brown. I go in with this brown right here. Oh, this is a beautiful brown. So what I'm gonna do different, I feel like I did do this, but it wasn't as intense. So I'm gonna go in with now with a deeper brown, but we're only gonna focus this color towards the outer part of the crease area right here. Take the deepest brown that's in this palette, and like I said, I'm just gonna focus it in the outer part only. This came out really, really nice. I really like how this came out. But of course, that pigment had a lot of fallout, which, you know, pigments usually do. So definitely recommend, if you're using a pigment, to use it before doing your whole face, because it will mess up the whole shebang bang. So I'm just cleaning it off with my towel. And then I want to quickly move on to my face. I will have everything linked in the description box if you guys want to know what products that I did use for the face. All right, so now for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take the same deep brown and I'm just going to pat this on the lash line. All right, so I'm going to add a little bit of some, this is another pigment. This is like a shimmery gold, I think, because I did pop an inner tear duct in that video, but I don't recall what I used. So I'm trying to find something similar that I have in my collection that doesn't require me to go upstairs, because I still have random like eyeshadows like upstairs. I thought I had a pressed eyeshadow somewhere that was very similar to that, but I can't find nothing right now. Alright, so I'm going to try this JLARUE pigment. Very sparkly and pretty. Let's just see if she does what she's supposed to do. It's not really sticking like I want it to stick, so I'm going to add a little bit of lash glue and see if this is going to help get it to stick. Really pretty. This is like giving me like Christmas vibes. I don't know what, but that glue definitely helped get this pigment to stick on. So that is another trick if you guys are working with pigments and they're not sticking, because depending on the texture of the pigment, sometimes they don't stick. Because like this one, for reference, I think this one's supposed to have like a little bit of like glitters in it, and it's really hard for it to stick by itself. But with that glitter glue, definitely worked out. So glitter glue can help out with any pigments, and it also works for eyeshadows as well, just to get like that true bold and vibrant when it comes to the eyeshadows or pigment. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face. Alright, I'm gonna go in and line my lips first before I move on to the rest of my face, because this is a very bold color. And I haven't did like bold lips in a while, so I'm like kind of used to like nude lips. So I'm gonna go in with the lip liner. This one is by Crown Case and it's called Bearable. This is the actual lipstick that I did use as well. This is by Wet n Wild. This is old packaging law. Look at this. It is crusted and ready to be thrown away. My camera don't even want to focus on it. It's so old. Look at that. It is long gone. To make this lip look more cleaner, I'm going to go in with my foundation and just go around the edges just to clean it up some more. I'm really surprised. This looks really good. Cleaned it up nicely. And to be honest, I don't remember it being this bold. In the video, I felt like it was more softer. So maybe I didn't put that much on, but I definitely like it a lot more bolder. So now I'm going to finish up the face with some blush and some highlight, and of course lashes and liner. With blush, I'm going in with my Hank & Henry blush palette. I forget which one is which because there's 3 different editions of these, and it's like a soft medium, I don't know. There's nowhere on here to say, oh, this is like the medium one, but on the website I believe it says that. But these are some really good blush palettes, so if you can find one that you guys like, I promise you guys will absolutely love these. But I did a red blush on that video, so I'm gonna go in with this red. It looks orange, but it's actually red. I'm gonna highlight. I'm going in with Glamlite. This is the little, what is this called? Crunchy bar? I don't know, but I'm gonna go in with Graham Cracker, which is this pretty gold color. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is set my face, and then I want to pop on some liner and stuff off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys. Oh my god, just taste this. Oh. Never do that again. So I'm going to let this sit, and then I'm going to do my lashes and liner off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys what she looked like. All right, so this is the final look. Well, damn honey, don't I look good? Y'all, I really love how this look came out. I'm so happy and pleased that the pigment still works the same, the lipstick still works the same. I definitely love the new vamp, of course, of this look because I put more definition and different, you know, quality and stuff in this look. Of course, the face, lining up my lips and cleaning it up with the foundation definitely made the color lips look a lot more presentable on me. And this inner, y'all, it's giving me like Frosty the Snowman vibes. Like the camera ain't doing no justice. Like it's like crispy, frosty, like frosty white in person. It's so beautiful, and these lashes absolutely beautiful as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm definitely going to come back and do more recreations of my older looks, especially the softer ones, because I feel like I don't really do soft looks like that, and I definitely want to bring those back because I feel like maybe about a good 75% of you guys that watch my videos, y'all definitely lean towards the neutral look when it comes to wearing it y'all self, but y'all love the color looks to look at. I don't know why y'all won't try it, but y'all get what I'm saying. But anywho, I will be back with more tutorials and stuff like that very, very, very soon. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you guys enjoyed today's video, enjoyed today's look. And I definitely want to see you guys recreation, so definitely tag me on any of my social networks, Snapchat, I don't have Twitter, Facebook, and of course Instagram. I would love to see you guys recreate this beautiful look on y'all as well, on yourself. I feel like this would be a good bridal look as well too, because it's nice, soft, and glam. So yes. But anywho, I'll see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed and have a good one.